How to update WhatsApp on iPhone. Updating WhatsApp on iPhone is a very simple and easy process, but before that, make sure that you check for any kind of software update that may be available for your device. For this, open Settings and go to General. Inside General, go to the option Software Update. Now this will check any kind of updates that may be available. If there are any software updates available, then update it. If not, then go back to your home page. You can look for updates for any app in the App Store. Open App Store on your device and click on the search bar at the top. Now type in WhatsApp and search for it. If there are updates available, then you will see an update option right here. Since there are no updates available, it's only showing the option open. So this is how you can update WhatsApp on your iPhone. That's all for today. Thank you.